Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce our marble lash boxes. Let's start with this black marble one. This one you can see. This one is with all black marble of the whole box. Yeah, very noble. How do you think? And inside the box, yeah, it is gold rose glitter. Very gorgeous, I think. This box is very noble. Let's put the lashes into the boxes. Yes, do you like this feeling? Very gorgeous. The gold rose, everyone like the gold rose glitter. Yeah, you can put your logo at this part. We can do it for you. Any color will matches this box. You can see the gold rose color, the gold rose logo. Wow, this one is wonderful, perfect. This one, and this color, the black or gold logo. This yellow, a black, yes, very fantastic. And this one also the hot pink, and this one is a little purple, a little deep blue. Yes, anyway, any logo matches this box very well. Yes, and let's see, we also have the black marble one. These two boxes are all gold rose glitter inside the box, you can see. And which color do you like? The black one is also very noble, also very luxury. The black one with white marble, yeah, and also gold rose glitter inside. And this one has a little ribbon, yeah, and lashes. 我的睫毛呢？ And let's put the lashes into this box to see how it looks. Yes, you can see the black lashes and this black box matches very well. And this is matte. Yeah, when you touch it, you feel very comfortable. So this will make your customer feel like your lashes is with very super good quality. Yeah. Do you love this box? If your logo is white or some light color, this box is your best choice. And we also have this one. These two looks totally the same from the surface, but you can see this one with gold glitter inside the box. Yeah. Do you like gold rose or gold glitter? This glitter is tiny glitter, very delicate. Yeah, and this marble is also wet marble. Yeah, very noble. Which one do you like better? And let's see this one. Let's see our purple lash boxes. Yeah, you can see hot pink glitter inside the box, and from the outside it is all purple marble, and with a wet background. Let's put the lashes into the box. Yes, you can see very young, very energetic, and this marble makes the lash box looks very luxury. How do you think? And very magnetic, you can see. Can you hear it? Very good quality and very beautiful marble. And we also have this one. This one is also purple, different from this one. This purple is lighter. Yes, do you agree? And this marble is smaller than this one. This one is bigger. This one is smaller. Do you like this small, tiny purple marble? And with the purple inside the box and also the little ribbon. And yeah, this one is very fashion, I think, very gentle. Yeah, and we also have two types of pink marble box. These two, can you see the difference? Yeah, this one is with little tiny pink marble, the white background. Yeah, and you can see, yes, This pink is very light, very attractive. Let's put the lashes into. Let's put the lashes into. 感觉又被你拿走了，好吧？啊，要在我这儿。Let's put the lashes into this box. Yes. Yes, I love this feeling. Very beautiful. Very attractive. Your customers will definitely, if you like pink, please pick this marble. Your lashes looks fantastic in this one. Pink, my favorite pink. Yes. And we also have this pink. This pink, you can see the image is different from this one. If this is marble, if it is marble, this one is like a smoke, yeah, or like a wind. The feeling of wind, very cool but very gentle. Baby pink or light pink, we can see the pink glitter inside the box is pink glitter, and also with very cute pink ribbon. And you can see. Do you like the marble, the image? And yes, this one is very popular. And we also have this pink. This one is also pink. This pink is matte, and this pink is glitter. If you like glitter, please, this one is good. If you like matte and don't like glitter, this one is good. This one is with very special weaves. You can see the surface. You can see very special and very luxury. In my opinion, this one is very luxury, and also with pink glitter inside the box. And most of our boxes has a little cute ribbon for you to take out the lashes easily. Yeah, let's see. Do you like the whole pink feeling and glitter, the matte? Yes. Can you imagine your logo on this box? Yes, perfect. Yeah. And we also has two types of green. Yeah, it is close to summer in the north of the earth. Yes. Also, we have many American customers. The green makes me feel very cool in summer. Let's put the lashes. Yeah, this one. You can see this one is with a green marble on the wet background, and this one has green glitter. The green glitter is very not very easy to see in the lash market. How do you think? This one is special. If your logo is black or some deep green, this one will match it very well. Yeah, this one is like jade. Yeah, like jade in China. Like very beautiful. And this one different from the normal green. This one is a little green, but like a crude stone that's just dig out from the earth. Yes, very special, very luxury, I think. And inside the box, wow, it is gold, shiny gold rose material. Let's put the lashes into the box. Yeah, can you feel very luxury, very gorgeous? Yeah, this one is also matte, very noble. You can see the whole box is green, and just this bottom is gold rose glitter. Do you love this box? I love this one very much. Okay, yeah, let me show this one with the logo. Yeah, very perfect, very beautiful. How do you think? Yeah, very noble. And the last one is also the most special one. This one also with background, with wet background with black marble. And you can see this part, you can put your logo at this part. It is like a door, so I called it our door box. Let's put the lashes. Yes, can you see the gold rose glitter makes your lashes looks very luxury and fantastic. When you open the box, it seems you open a surprise, a gift for your customer. Yeah, how do you think? And this box matches any logo in any color. Yeah, this one sells very fast. One of our best sellers. Okay, guys. Today I introduced our marble box. I believe there always has one box you like. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe me. Thanks for watching.